Hi everyone. I would like to share something special. It's because it's almost 2 years na nandito ako sa US as an international teacher as under J1 program, and I'm so happy and blessed because I have my family. Of course, that's one thing, and um, and most especially I belong to the school where the administrators of the school are very thoughtful and supportive to me. So that's why hindi ako masyado nahirapan, and I'm so much grateful for that. And thank you. So it's been my 2 years pero hindi po ako nahirapan. Though there's some stressful days, but kayang-kaya lang. So yun lang. So again, I'm grateful for my school, for Robert Snaylor, and for all the people in Robert Snaylor, especially the administrators. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat. Bye! Happy holidays. Malapit na ang winter break. One more day and we're off. Bye!